Hello children, we have already discussed horizontal distribution of power. In horizontal distribution of power, power sharing is done among different organs of the government, that is the legislative organ, the executive organ and the judiciary organ. Whether you look from the left hand side, the legislative, the executive or the judiciary, or whether you look from the right hand side, the judiciary, the executive and the legislative, they are all placed at equal level. Their importance is same, but in vertical distribution of power, you can see central government is placed at a higher position than the state government, and the state government is placed at a higher position than the local government. So we can say central government is more powerful than the state government is more powerful than the local government. So the power increases when we move from bottom to top, and the power decreases when we move from top to bottom. Now there are two words, horizontal and vertical. Let me discuss with various examples so that you will never have to face any confusion. Look at this picture. Man is standing in front of sea and open sky, and beside him there is a tree. So this east to west or west to east, left to right or right to left, that is horizontal way of looking things. And when you look from north to south or top to bottom, that is called as a vertical way of looking things. Now in the word horizontal, there is a word horizon in it. So in this word horizontal, there is a word horizon in it. What is the meaning of horizon? The meeting point of, when you see this picture, it appears that the sky and the sea, they are meeting at one point. It appears. In reality, it doesn't appear. You may stand in an open field, and when you look at a distance, you will find that the sky and the land appears to meet. That point is called as horizon. ओडिया रे ताको आमे दिग्बलय कहू, जोठी लागे जे आकाश और जमी, they are in contact with each other, or they are meeting with each other. Now if I will have to look the sun, I have to look vertically. Okay, I have to look in this way. Now in the left hand side you can see a man is holding mobile in a vertical way, and in right hand side you can in left hand side you can see the man is holding mobile in a horizontal way. This vertical way of holding mobile is also known as portrait. You do that portrait mode in screen, and this horizontal, it is also known as landscape mode. And this is periodic table. Periodic table, you will read it in your chemistry. All your metals, non-metals and metalloids are arranged in this periodic table. So when the arrangement of metals are done from left to right, or done from left to right or right to left, east to west or west to east, they are called as periods. Okay, these are horizontal way. This is the horizontal in periods. The metals in periods, the elements are arranged horizontally, one after another. In groups, the elements are arranged in a vertical way. The elements are arranged in a vertical way. Now you can see train is moving horizontally. Your cycle moves horizontally. Your truck moves horizontally. Tractor moves horizontally. Two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler, six-wheeler, eight-wheeler, all they move horizontally, left to right or from right to left. Missiles and space vehicles, they move from vertically. They move in a vertical way. So the rocket is moving in a vertical way. You sleep in a horizontal position. In this position, your head and your feet, all your body parts, they are at same level. They are at equal level. But when you stand in a vertical position, your head is higher than the the height of your head, I mean your head is higher than the soldier, the soldier is higher than your stomach, the stomach is higher than your thighs, the thighs is higher than your legs, and your legs are higher than your feet. In your room, ceiling and floor, they are in a horizontal plane, but 4 walls, they are in a vertical structure, they are in a vertical plane. Charikantha, so ceiling and floor horizontal and 4 walls vertical. Arunastambha, Jagannath Temple, Puri is again a vertical structure. Fan, you can see the fan is attached to a beam, and this beam is horizontal structure. Asoka pillar, another Asoka pillar, so these are vertical structures. Iron pillar at Mehrauli, New Delhi, it's a vertical structure. You have read that in class 6. This rusting never takes place with this structure. You have read about Om Prakash Valmiki, and you know that Om Prakash Valmiki's teacher used to make him sit on the floor because his caste was, because he belonged to a lower caste and others belonged to a higher caste. So his teacher used to make him sit in a lower position, and other students used to sit in a higher position. Modern classroom, there is no discrimination on basis of caste, gender or religion. Doesn't matter whether a Hindu or a Muslim or a Christian or a Sikh, boy or a girl, whatever may be your caste, we treat you equally. There is no discrimination, no partiality. So all the students sit at equal level. In olden times, it was believed the teacher knows a lot of things and students have less knowledge. So teachers used to sit in a higher position than the students. But in modern classrooms, not only you learn from me, equally I also learn from you. Not only students learn from the teachers, but also the teachers learn from the students. I may teach you social studies, I may be good at social study, subjects of social study, but you are good at so many subjects: cooking, dancing, singing, art, sports, athletics, and also in mathematics, science, and I equally learn from you. Now these are high heels. You know, I have a daughter and a son. My daughter's name is Ipi, my son's name is Maggie. My daughter does not want to wear high heels. Now these heels are vertical structures. But my son wants to wear high heels. He wants to wear these high heels. And my daughter wants to wear these horizontal shoes. She wants to participate in Winter Olympics. Skiing. It is these games are played in areas where it is very cold, polar areas. So this is all about horizontal and vertical. So this is all about your horizontal and vertical. I hope all of you have understood. See you in the next video. Thank you for your attention.